Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable camera text reader on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. On the home screen, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings button. In settings, go down and tap on accessibility. Then we go down and tap on advanced settings. Next, go down and tap on Bixby Vision for accessibility. Then in here, you want to tap on text reader. Tap on the toggle button to turn it off. Switch it on. Now you can point to the camera, add some text to hear it read aloud. So let's tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And in here, we're going to launch the camera app. Next, in your camera app, you want to tap on the More button at the bottom. Then tap on Bixby Vision at the top. And then you want to point your camera as an object. So let's say this one right here. So it will capture a
TH Whitestone, Dome
picture.
Glass, Dome Wamyan Bohoyan Pulimium Gangwa Pilium Premium Screen Protector Premium Film with 3 PACK film and 2 PACK camera protector for poor Galaxy S21 Ultra ultrasonic recognition vivid clarity 3D full coverage self-healing function.
So you can see it will try to attempt to read all the text in this box right here. Even in a different language, it still can read out those languages as well. And at the bottom here is the text reader. So you want to choose this one right here. So text reader, this is the text reader. Now there's another icon, it's got text. This is text. This is different. This is a text detector, so you can detect the text in the picture. So you can capture the text, but this one actually doesn't read it out loud. So if you want to read out loud, you want to use text reader. Text reader will be able to read out the text in a subject.
THW.
And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.